Do you think getting 5 hours of sleep makes you a productivity hero? Here's the brutal truth. You're slowly destroying your brain and body. Most people have no clue they're chronically sleep deprived until it's too late. Your body sends warning signals every single day, but you ignore them completely. Today I'll reveal 4 terrifying signs that prove you're running on empty. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching from, and hit like if you want to discover the most shocking truth. Sign number 1. You feel hungry all the freaking time, especially for junk. When you don't sleep enough, your hunger hormones go absolutely crazy. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, shoots through the roof like a rocket. Meanwhile, leptin, your fullness hormone, crashes harder than a stock market. This explains why you demolish entire bags of chips at midnight. Your brain literally thinks you're starving, even after eating a full meal. Scientists discovered sleep-deprived people consume 300 extra calories daily without realizing it. Sign number 2. Your emotions swing wildly like a broken pendulum. Sleep deprivation hijacks your amygdala, the brain's emotional control center. Your prefrontal cortex, the rational thinking part, basically goes offline completely. Road rage, workplace conflicts, relationship drama, all connected to sleep debt. Sign number 3. You catch every single bug that goes around. Sleep produces T cells, your body's elite special forces against invaders. Without enough sleep, you're sending kindergartners to fight Navy SEALs. Your body also produces fewer antibodies, leaving you completely defenseless. Your lymphatic system, the body's cleanup crew, only works during deep sleep. Sign number 4. Your memory becomes Swiss cheese full of holes. You walk into rooms and forget why you went there completely. Names, faces, important dates, everything just vanishes into thin air. Sleep is when your brain transfers information from short-term to long-term storage. Your hippocampus, memory headquarters, literally shrinks without adequate rest. Studies show sleep-deprived students score 40% worse on memory tests. But wait, there's something even more sinister happening while you're awake. Your brain accumulates toxic proteins called beta amyloid during waking hours constantly. Sleep is your brain's nightly detox program, washing away these toxins. Skip sleep, and you're basically marinating your brain in poison. Now you understand why chronic insomniacs have higher dementia rates. Your body also releases human growth hormone exclusively during deep sleep. This hormone repairs tissues, builds muscle, and keeps you looking young. Without it, you age faster than a vampire exposed to sunlight. Sleep deprivation increases cortisol, the stress hormone that destroys everything. High cortisol breaks down collagen, causing wrinkles and sagging skin prematurely. It also promotes belly fat storage and makes losing weight nearly impossible. Here's what happens to your body on just 4 hours of sleep nightly. Your reaction time becomes slower than someone legally drunk behind the wheel. Driving after 18 hours awake equals driving with blood alcohol of 0.08. Your decision-making abilities plummet into the basement of stupidity completely. You make risky investments, send angry emails, eat terrible food choices. Sleep debt accumulates like credit card interest. It compounds exponentially over time. You can't catch up with weekend lie-ins. That's a dangerous myth. The damage to your DNA happens immediately and requires consistent repair. So how much sleep do you actually need to avoid this nightmare? Adults need 7 to 9 hours consistently, not just when convenient. Teenagers need even more, 8 to 10 hours for proper brain development. Quality matters as much as quantity. Deep sleep stages are crucial. Stop scrolling at least 2 hours before your intended bedtime tonight. If you recognized yourself in these signs, your health is in serious danger. The good news is your body can heal remarkably fast with proper sleep. Start tonight. Your future self will thank you for this life-changing decision. Sweet dreams, and remember, sleep isn't lazy. It's literally saving your life.